flashing lights, blue in the red, green in the night. Said screw it, babe, we make our own rules in a world gone mad. We're the only fools. We're the only fools. They can lock us up, try to shut us down. They can try to win with us, but it's who wears the crown. They can try on us, try to take it all away, but they can't control the chaos with me. The chaos with me. Running for our lives once again. We're living all our lives once again.
all the characters retarget, so I can use multiple characters. Zombies can be good guys, bad guys, etc. I wrote a combat system. So instead of just being able to kick and punch, you can like assign animations to a combat system, and then the character can have different combat styles based on whether or not they have like a one-handed weapon or a two-handed weapon, or they're unarmed. And there's karate versus kung fu. So if I loaded all the animations, I could do a lot of different fighting stuff. It would just take a very long time. And then that's how the zombie stuff works. There's like a few different zombie ones. That was like the big thing I rewrote. That and all of my characters over here. So everything is animated to the Unreal Engine's Fortnite skeleton. And then from there, I use the live retargeting on my animation blueprints and stuff. There's one, where is it? Yeah, so you can see there's the mesh and the retarget mesh, and all the code's been updated so that if you put the sockets on the retargeted mesh, it'll use them, so it looks more accurate rather than using the ones on the regular mesh. But if they're not there, it just uses the ones on the mesh. The other code thing I did was like for the characters, they all can just assign a random mask or a random weapon, and then the combat's different whether or not they're armed or unarmed and all that stuff. I don't know. That's it. On to the next class.